Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made these super cute garden markers using free paint sticks and old Scrabble tiles. Let's go. Obviously the first step is to get your letters, so sort through your Scrabble pieces and find all the letters you need to write out your herbs or your veggies or whatever it is that you want on your garden markers. And then you're going to place them vertically on the paint sticks so that they will read correctly in the garden. And then you simply just hot glue them in place. Do make sure that the first tile you place is nice and square and even, or you're going to have a slanted word. We kind of ran into that on one of them, but you can just pop it off and redo it. So here's how they turned out. I think they are so cute. I do hope that my hot glue doesn't melt in the garden. If it does, I'll just go back in with some E6000 glue or something. But here they are. I think they're fantastic, and I think they add a little bit of charm to my garden. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.